Hi, everyone. My name is Nicole, admissions counselor at the Culinary Institute of America. Thank you so much for joining me today. All of us at the CIA hope that you and your family and loved ones are staying well and healthy. Despite these challenging times, the CIA is here to support you through planning for your future that is bright and filled with possibilities in a career that you will love. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about our degree programs, campus life, as well as financial aid. All right, let's jump right in. So welcome once again to the Culinary Institute of America and our presentation. At the CIA, we believe that food is life. Food is at the center of everyone's life, and 100% of people need to eat. So having a deep hands-on understanding of food and the business of food gives you unlimited career opportunities. And wherever you want to go in the world of food, the CIA will help you get there. The CIA is a huge part of our world of food. Our mission is to deliver the world's best professional culinary education, and we deliver on that mission at all 4 campuses. As you see pictured there on the right, that is our campus in Hyde Park, New York, which offers you a full traditional college campus experience. Up in the top left, you'll see our campus in California, which is located right in the Napa Valley, famed for its food and wine. We also have a campus in Texas, which is an urban campus located right in San Antonio. And in the bottom left, you'll see our campus in Singapore, which is located in the modern and vibrant crossroads of Asia. And when you enroll in a CIA bachelor's degree program at our New York campus, you can spend a semester at any one of our other campuses. So more on that later. When it comes to choosing the college that's right for you, there's a big decision. But what you'll discover is that when it comes to the best education for your future success, there's a big difference between the CIA and other colleges. So no matter your interest, your experience, or your career goals, there is a CIA degree program for you. And all of our programs, from our associates to our bachelors to our masters, have a unique food and hospitality focus that you can only get at the CIA. At the associate level, you can major in baking and pastry arts or culinary arts. Both of these 69 credit programs will offer you a full foundation of hands-on skills and practical knowledge. Students will also complete a semester-long internship, as well as spend a semester learning in one of our CIA public restaurants or Apple Pie Bakery Cafe. We also offer bachelor degrees, which allows you to build on your associate degrees. So the first 3 degree programs that you see listed here, students choose from baking and pastry arts or culinary arts as their core focus. So you're going to get all of those same hands-on courses as you would in our associate's degree. This includes our semester-long internship, as well as spending a semester in one of our CIA public restaurants. Now, we also have a hospitality management bachelor's degree program. This program allows you to take 30 credits of food and beverage courses, which is 10 times more than many other colleges. You also get to complete a semester-long internship. Now, we're committed to your lifelong learning, so we also have master's degree programs. Now, both of these 30 credit programs will allow you to build on your bachelor's. Our master's degree in food business is an online program, so it's easy to complete, no matter where you are or where you're working. You'll also complete 3 short residencies at our New York and California campuses. Now, our master's degree in wine management takes place at our California campus. No better place to study wines than the Napa Valley. You'll be doing experiential learning and guided tastings. This program will allow you to learn more about the business side of wine, so distribution, retail, sales, and marketing. Now, the CIA is all about hands-on education. We have 42 teaching kitchens and bake shops. Our academic courses are all geared for the real world. We also have 9 public restaurants across our 3 U.S. campuses where our students were able to cook for and serve more than 300,000 customers each year. We have a culinary science lab where curious students can explore, experiment, and push the boundaries of food using some of the latest culinary technology and equipment. Our innovation kitchen is where students can operate their own pop-up restaurant right on campus for a semester. Now, all CIA students have the opportunity to complete an internship as well. So this 12-week program will allow you to explore different areas of the industry. We have over 2,000 locations to choose from. So whether it's fine dining, hotel and resort, or research and development, you can get real world experience for an entire semester. About 85% of these internships are paid internships as well. Now for our bachelor's degree students, we also offer concentrations where you're going to spend a semester of total immersion learning. So you can choose to do this concentration at one of our US campuses, or you can go abroad. If you're interested in going to our California campus, the Napa Valley is really the best place to study wine, beverage, and hospitality, baking and pastry, or farm to table. Or you can go to our Texas campus to study Latin American cuisine, where you'll learn the bright, elevated flavor profiles associated with that cuisine. And for our travel destinations, you can choose from our CIA Singapore, where you can complete the Asian cuisine concentration. CIA Singapore will be your home base as you make stops in other countries. You can also travel along the southern coast of Italy, in Puglia, Italy, where students learn to develop a command for those Italian cuisine ingredients. We also have a Japanese cuisine concentration, where students will take a 10-day culinary tour through Japan and earn a sake certification. And our Mediterranean cuisine concentration takes you to Barcelona, Spain, where you'll learn more about the Mediterranean diet. Now, right here at our New York campus, we offer our beverage production and service management concentration for our hospitality management students. They'll learn more about craft brewing, wines, and mixology and service management. We also have a farm to table concentration and our entrepreneurship concentration, where students will develop their own business plan for a restaurant that would open at the Innovation Kitchen right on the CIA campus in the Commons. Now, there's also opportunities to travel. We understand with the current situation that travel is a bit restricted, but once life gets back to normal, students can choose from one of these travel destinations for 2 weeks with their chefs and classmates to go to any one of these locations. They really become immersed in the culture and culinary traditions of all of these locations. This opportunity is available to our bachelor's degree students, and you're earning college credits. Now, you'll definitely be learning from the best at the CIA. We have over 150 chefs and instructors that come from all over the world, that come from all over higher education and the industry. You'll see many of our expert faculty are currently experts in their fields listed here. So many of them have experienced the industry. They bring that expertise and that experience right to the classroom for our students. Now, many of them actually write their own textbooks, which is a huge advantage for our students when they're in class, going straight to the source. So we work hard here at the CIA, but we also make sure there are plenty of fun things to do so you can play hard too. You can hang out in our amazing student commons where we host events like karaoke night and bada bingo night. We also have cook-offs like our chili cook-off, our pizza cook-off, and our cookie-off. Our students can take part in some of our clubs that we offer. Some of them revolve around food and some of them don't. And our student life team does an amazing job of planning trips. So they'll go anywhere from upstate to go whitewater rafting or skiing, or we're just a short train ride away to New York City, where students can take part in some of the food tours. They've also gone to experience some of the professional sporting events, as well as plays on Broadway. You'll definitely stay busy at the CIA. We also have intercollegiate athletics, so we offer the following sports, but maybe if you want to stay active and don't want to take part in those, we do have intramurals. You can take advantage of our fitness classes like yoga and Zumba. We also have our whole recreation center where students can swim in our pool. We have our cardio room, we have a weight room, we have racquetball courts, indoor basketball courts, and an indoor track. There's definitely ways to stay active on campus. Speaking of on-campus, we do offer on-campus housing. So at our New York campus, we do offer traditional residence halls as well as townhouses and lodge. These locations do include free laundry, which, yes, is a huge advantage. There's also free Wi-Fi, and most of these options include a working kitchen right in your residence halls. So you can cook, relax, and hang out with friends on the weekends. Now, when it comes to life after the CIA, you're going to have a distinct advantage with that education. You're going to be a part of a powerful network of CIA graduates where employers will seek you out. Now, 3 times a year, the CIA hosts our career fair. So we draw over 140 companies to this career fair each time, each event. Now, this career fair isn't for you to just walk around and learn about employers. This is actually a 2-day event where you'll be able to set up an interview. If there is a prospect that you're interested in and they're interested in you, you'd be able to set up this interview. So we have conducted thousands of interviews during these career fairs, and these aren't just for jobs after graduation. These are for those internships as well. I mentioned we have 2,000 locations to choose from. There's a great opportunity to learn about these locations through our career fair. And we draw big names like Aramark, Google, Four Seasons Hotel and Resort, Walt Disney. All of these employers come to campus to meet our students. Our alumni also return. They hire, support, and mentor each other throughout their career. Now, just to give you an idea as the career paths that our alumni have taken, they've gone into beverage management, food styling, or there's food media. You might recognize Amanda Freitag from the Food Network. Food journalism, general management, or entrepreneurship like Johnny Hernandez, who is the pride of San Antonio, owning 9 restaurants and 2 catering venues. They're also pioneers and leaders in the food industry, such as Roy Choi, who started the whole food truck revolution, or Matt Wadiak, who you may not know his name, but you might know his company. He's a co-founder of Blue Apron, which is a widely used meal prep delivery service. So how do you get here? Excuse me. How do you get here, right? How do you become a part of this successful network of CIA graduates? I want to talk a little bit about scholarships and financial aid. So more than 90% of CIA students receive scholarships and financial aid. As an accepted student to the CIA, you will be automatically reviewed for merit scholarships. And all CIA students benefit from state or federal financial aid. Also, we have generous scholarships from many donors, individuals, and companies in the industry. All accepted students to the CIA are also assigned an enrollment counselor and a personal financial planner. They are going to help you qualify for the maximum financial aid package that you qualify for every year that you're a student here. And remember, more than 90% of students receive scholarships and financial aid. That's why it's so important to file your FAFSA, which is your free application for federal student aid. Never assume you won't qualify for financial assistance. You have a whole team of professionals that are here to support you as well. So I'm just one of the many admissions counselors that are available to help you through the application and admissions process. You also have an enrollment counselor who's available to help you with all of those next steps. Our academic and career advisors are there to help you reach your academic goals and career goals. Our financial planners are there to assist you to help make sure that you're taking advantage of every financial opportunity. Our residence life team will help you get the most out of living on campus. Our CIA Cares program will partner your instructor with your advisor to help you overcome any hurdles, or if you need tutoring, you can utilize that resource. And our Library Learning Commons is where students take advantage of peer tutoring and professional tutoring. So because you're listening now, we know that you have a passion for food, right? And if you can picture yourself here and the time is right for you to apply, so we're accepting applications from graduating high school seniors. We've also started accepting applications for our rising seniors. So if you're currently a junior in high school, you can start the application process. But if you can picture yourself here, you should start that process today. And we offer 2 options. So you can apply online or through our Common App. We have our own online application or utilizing the Common application. After you apply, we would need 3 additional documents. So we would need your official transcript, your essay questions, which I'll go over those a little bit later, as well as a letter of recommendation. And if you know an alumni of the CIA and they write a letter of recommendation for you, that's worth a one-time $1,000 scholarship. And those essay questions can be found right online. And don't forget, you'll want to apply for financial aid using the FAFSA. You can find that at fafsa.gov. You may recognize this face. He's a graduate of the CIA, and he left our students with this quote: "When you leave here, you'll have a piece of paper that says you are a graduate of the Culinary Institute of America. That paper is a passport. With it, you can go anywhere, eat anywhere, and work anywhere." So thank you so much for joining me today. We really here at the CIA, we want you to know that we care about your future. We're here to help support you through this process of learning more about our college, answering your questions, helping you through the application process and beyond. So please feel free to reach out to us with any questions. You can email us at admissions@culinary.edu. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've learned a lot about what makes the CIA so special, and we can't wait to talk to you.